The novel coronavirus has been designated as 2019 NCOV, and the WHO's recent PHEIC declaration means all countries in the world should follow a specific protocol when managing the movement, detection and control of this virus. CGTN's Angelo Coppola has more on the response in South Africa.
The announcement by the World Health Organization of the heightened alert has set off a chain of events in South Africa, centered around the Emergency Operations Center.
It allows us to, for example, within the NICD, we would now start to second staff from other centers within the organization to support in the laboratory, to support on the epidemiology side. And this would happen within each of the different partner institutions within the Emergency Operations Center.
Health authorities at the main ports of entry have been promised more temperature testing devices, and Chinese authorities have offered their assistance too.
The Chinese ambassador has also indicated that China has developed a new detection device specifically for coronavirus, and should South Africa need, they said they can make some available. So immediately after this meeting, the Chinese ambassador will actually come with the relevant information and the relevant individuals, and our team here is on standby to evaluate whether in fact this is something that we can take advantage of.
The South African authorities say the manner in which the Chinese health authorities have managed the virus is appropriate.
We are happy that China is managing the way they're doing it in terms of, making sure that people can be observed for a particular period before they actually get out of that area. Every country is going to have that kind of responsibility if you have to deal with this kind of cases.
While South African authorities continue to monitor incoming travelers at the major ports of entry, attention is turned to South Africans who are still in Wuhan.
That there are 165 South African students and 54 teachers in Wuhan, spread around about 13 campuses. Some of them have made contact with the embassy, wanting to know what South Africa is doing. We have given them the reassurance that we are confident that China is taking adequate measures to deal with the virus.
So while there are no cases suspected or otherwise of the coronavirus, the WHO says that they're comfortable with the actions that have been taken by the South African government. They seem to be prepared. Only time will tell. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.